Welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we bring you a Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. Just a great boat. Great attention to detail. The chrome rub rail. The light gray gel coat. The noticeable Boston Whaler logo. 2 swim platforms on the back. This one has the 350 Mercury Verado. 3-step ladder. As we board the vessel, this boat has 14 cup holders all the way through. Just tons of seating. There's the back seat. You can also fold that up for a bolster for fishing. You've also got 7 places to store rods. There's 4 here on the back of the platform. Storage underneath this seat. Right now I have it laid down for a chaise lounge. Little sink area. Cooler goes underneath. And also lay that seat back down. I've got a little place to sun. Storage inside there as well. And also this seat back raises. And you got several positions where you can adjust the seat back. This has the JL audio speakers, the Fusion radio with Bluetooth capability, and also Sirius. Your driver's helm, swivel driver's helm seat along with the bolster, split window. It's also a pump out head with the sink, and also the storage goes way underneath for being able to store additional gear. Here in the floor, I mentioned those 3 additional rod holders. There's also storage here in the ski locker. Trash cans located right there. You can also block off the wind by closing the little door here. You can also access your storage from this little panel here in the driver's helm, or also the seat raises here in the bow area. You notice this has the insert. It's a complete sun pad. Remove this cushion and lift this up. Just a ton of storage here, folks. Again, this is the 2020 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This is CJ Jenkins from MarineMax Gulf Shores. Please reach out to us at 251-981-1113. Thank you.